Good morning, stars. Hope you're having a nice slow morning. Today I'm working from home, and normally whenever I can just start my day at home, I like to start it slow. A slow lifestyle is pretty much the habits and the routine that I like to start with. So one of the favorite habits that I've had is my bamboo toothbrush and making the lemon water from that girl routine. That has been one of those rituals that I've really picked up and kept. And making my bed, because just starting off the day making my bed sends the signal of just like starting the day right, getting one thing off my checklist and starting nice, crisp and organized. Afterwards, I just like to take care of my plants, watering my plants, screaming good morning universe, and talking to them, touching them. Just like it just sets the mood, and it makes me feel just so happy taking care of them. I love taking care of my plants. And then next up, afterwards I just like to have a nice workout. I follow the Lily Sabri workouts. Those have been my favorite tutorials. I actually have a fun little transformation to show you. Those videos are coming along, taking care of what I'm consuming, lemon water, coffee, and just slowly focusing on starting the day with boosting my energy. It's just been really nice, and I love the feeling of like working out brings. And then you can't hear the music going on, but all I kept thinking was when he sings, and I know you love Shrek because we watched it 12 times, actually Harry Potter, but maybe you're hoping for a fairy tale too, but I've never owned the Blu-ray. True say the body results that I'm seeing for the Lily Sabri is epic. And then afterwards I normally make like a juice or a protein. Today I made like this nice cleansing with my superfood powder from Spirulina, the Amlakesh brand, and I love them because they're also like a small business focused on getting organic and supporting indigenous community. Afterwards, nope, it's not a shower. I have not taken a shower. I could just go on and make a list of the things that I have to get done in the day, the different tasks, via if it's emails, coordinating artwork, or content creation. I just like to have my nice cold drink and sit there and plan. I love routines. And then afterwards, that's when I take a shower, get my hair done, get my upcycled hand-me-down clothing, and wear my favorite simple basic makeup. And there I'm pretty much ready. And that's how I got ready in the morning. I love styling it with small business brands, like this one I got from Etsy, like the beaded daisy, and then my upcycle bag, which is actually a virtual workshop coming up very soon. Go to my description box below and sign up. It's free. Once you sign up, you also get the free PDF to make the same tote bag. Make sure to tag me in all of your creations at Cara Style and join me in this workshop, because I'll love to see you there and see our community grow together as we upcycle one piece at a time. Keep on shining, stars. Thank you for joining me today's morning with me.